All right, everybody. So this is Litecoin over USD. We have reached our $95 target. I said once we reached that point that I would make another video, to follow up. And just to let y'all know, like, I only post when I need to. I don't post every single day. Like, you don't necessarily need to see me posting videos on a daily. So, actually, I already drew it out. I just removed all of the tools, the indicators. So, let's look at this. Where we at right now? Let's go down to a smaller time frame. Let's go down to the 1 hour chart. All right, so everything looks green so far. Back in the video where Litecoin was at $51, I was stating that if you were to take a Fibonacci from the top price of $400, let's see, yep, right here. So when we take a fib from right here all the way down to the lowest price, we get a 0.5 Fibonacci target that sits right here at $92. Now we're currently at 95, so that's a good thing. We're clearly, above the 0.5 Fibonacci. All we need to do is just stay above that, and we are good to go. Because clearly, as you see it back in the day, in the 2018-2019 market, we went up. The 0.5 is right here, $92, the blue line. We went up to the 0.618, but then we crashed underneath the 0.5 fib. So pretty much the 0.5 fib is acting as heavy resistance. And as soon as we get above it, you see we have crazy moves. And as soon as we get below it, we have a small, a sharp decline actually. So right now, we're just getting above that spot again. We need to continue and stay above the 21, 13, and 8 EMAs. The purple line is the 21 EMA. Let's see what we can do from here. We could actually take a fib. Let's see. Take a Fibonacci from here to here. $98 is next, more than likely. We also have the 0.618 was a $90 target. And once we got above $90, we broke up. And as you see, we clearly are going up. 1 hour time frame. Okay. Potential, let's see, either a Bart Simpson pattern or a bull flag. All we gotta do is focus on staying above $94.50, and we can be saved by this moving average at $93, and also this $92 0.5 fib can also save us if we stay above it, to then head back up. Test support first. Now if we do decline, let's say if we do have a small decline, take a Fibonacci from top to this low, and look at that, the 0.618 fib is sitting right on top of the blue line. So that is a small potential for Litecoin to come down from current prices to 92. Just to test support. I don't see a major decline unless, Bitcoin does something stupid. So the measured move first is this white line. Say we come down, then bam, we hit our range. Now if we go up, we are headed up to 97. We got some previous wicks over here, which is indicating that, that is also a potential. So right now we just gotta watch out for this range. So we inside of this small range from 95 to 94, and as long as we, stay above this range, we are bullish. Three-hour chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. Let's end this video off with this. The 0.5 fib is at $92, remember. The 0.618 is at 131. If we are able to stay above this 0.5 fib, the next target to look at is the 0.618, which is $131. Then after that, $214. And let's see, right around 137, the 0.618 fib, we should be looking out for like a technical breakout. So as you see right here, we have this down trend in the white. Every time we hit the top, we decline. Went up to the top, decline. If we are able to break above this white line right here, then we go up the distance from top to bottom. So from here to here, we take this entire distance right here and we add it to the breakout over here. I already did it in white. I'm sorry if all these indicators are everywhere, but I have everything mapped out. We could go from $123 to $636. Breakout from here to here. No time frame given. The same way I was saying that we could reach our $95 target. Same way I'm saying we have a $600 target with no time frame. When we hit those targets, y'all will know. So just hold, accumulate, and we all should be good. The one Fibonacci is sitting at 437, or give or take. So if we are able to get above all-time highs, which is around 400 plus, we could have a scenario where, remember when Bitcoin hit 20,000 and then it just kept going. We had like a little consolidation period, just test support on top of 20,000, but then we 3x from 20,000. We went all the way up to 69,000, from 20,000 to 69,000. So imagine if, Litecoin does something like that, where we go from 420 all-time highs all the way up to, $1,600, or, say like something like that. But we do have, same way how I was looking at the 0.5 fib, the 0.618 fib, the 1.618 Fibonacci target says $2,400. We could even keep going all the way up there, which is indicated right here in yellow, but that's for future videos. Once we get a little closer, I don't want to get everybody too excited, but if you were inside this market placing them trades down at $51 when I put out that the bull run was here for Litecoin, then you are up almost 100% on your money. And in terms of Bitcoin, we've been pretty much getting bigger gains than Litecoin. If you look at the LTC BTC chart, you'll see that that's also looking good as well. I have everything mapped out. We're at 0.004063 BTC right now, and we have a potential to go up to 0.006104 on this next move, as long as this area right here, as long as we keep going up from here. All right, so where are we at? We are currently all the way down here at the 0.236 Fibonacci. So if we keep going up, we could reach the 0.382 Fibonacci, which is sitting at 0.006. Right after that, we have the 0.5, which is at 0.009 BTC. And once again, at the 0.5 fib, we tested support, came down underneath it, big move. Underneath it, we slightly came under, well, we had a sharp decline once we got underneath the 0.5 fib, and then we retracted right back to the 0.5, and then eventually got above it a little bit. So pretty much, we were playing around the 0.5 fib for a long time. So we able to, well, we should expect to at least get up to the 0.5, and just like the LTC USD chart, once we break out of the long channel, we go up the same distance from top to bottom. So this is what I mean by this. We would take this, and wherever we break out, just say in this area over here, something like that. I have no idea. From 0.09, we could go all the way up to from 0.009, we could go all the way up to 0.05 BTC. That could be the first major move out of the channel. Ultimate target says around 0.43 BTC. So if you put that in the calculator, let's do this in the calculator real quick. 0.43 times the current price of Bitcoin, which is 23,000, give or take. That's a $9,800 Litecoin right there. So I'm not saying that these targets gonna happen, today, tomorrow, within a year, but these are what the evaluations are saying. And I can't help but, follow it. So, all right, that's all I got for y'all today. I'll probably make another video once we reach our next Fibonacci targets and all that. All right, let's make some money. Let's go Litecoin.